Morning everyone, Mike Downs here. I make video lessons to help people learn, to dream, to aspire. I'm a teacher at YouTube, of course. Now, this lesson is about Google Drive, Save As Potential. Let me tell you two stories. The first story is a two-step story based on desktop, where if you're working on a document, say, you can download it in many different versions. The download goes through your laptop, in other words, saved as your laptop. Then you have to upload it to Drive before it becomes available in Drive. If you open up the same identical document on mobile, you can have a save to Drive automatically, which means you do not need to go into your download desktop machine. Goodness, what a mouthful. What does that actually mean to us in practice? Very easy to demonstrate. On mobile, what you do is click Share and Export, Save As, and then choose a version. This will save automatically to Google Drive. So if you're on the go and you haven't got access to your desktop machine, it is a wondrous event, because all you need to do in this example, I've chosen an EPUB for a little document here where it becomes automatically available in Google Drive. Then you just tap it and it says upload to play books, and the GIF on the right is showing that that little document, little story, is available as an EPUB book. And that's it. Again, do not need the feeling, shall we say, that you need to be strapped to your desktop machine any longer. Now, this final slide here is all about what happens in slides and sheets. So in other words, in slides, we can see that there are exactly the same steps going through to a ton of different versions to save to Drive in the normal way, the same way. In sheets, the same. We can choose PDFs, Excel sheets, whatever is on screen. Now, the final point here is remember that Google Drive or document, sheet, slides, whatever, is set up in a very simple way, and that is you can add people to view that particular document as edit, comment, or view, or you can tap over to a link sharing where you can copy the link, or you can send a copy, i.e. through email. Remember, the Save As that I've showed you, for me, works really well when you just want to get rid of that copy to somebody, knowing that your other copy won't have, like, shall we say, people turning up in it. So in other words, you're writing in it and you can see someone else is there, either as anonymous or named, to be looking over your shoulder. For me, it's about using mobiles to our full potential and exploiting our learning. That's why I very much stick to, in 2018, I make video lessons to help people learn, to exploit their knowledge. So if you are on the go and you can run away from your machine down the street literally with your mobile in your hand, follow these simple steps where you can cut out a step, because when you are busy you don't have time to muck about. For me to repeat, if I had a penny for every time I downloaded the file, then re-uploaded it to Google Drive, and for years I've been, why isn't there just a save to Drive option? Well, according to this in mobile there is. Maybe it's been there for a long time, but I've only just discovered it. But I want to exploit learning for mobile devices in 2018 and get right to the bottom of how we can work quicker. So have a lovely day, and that was a couple of minutes on another lesson to help people learn.